Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting sensors ready. Power the drone and connect the app. Once connected, initiate IMU calibration in the menu and follow prompts immediately. You'll be guided to place the aircraft flat, then on its side, and finally upside down. This sequence teaches the accelerometer each axis. At the same time, launch compass calibration, rotate slowly until the app confirms. These actions align raw sensor frames to the drone's body, so attitude and heading are accurate. Now you handle the trickier rotations. Start IMU warm-up. Keep the drone stationary for 30-60 seconds to stabilize temperatures. Then perform each axis rotation when the app instructs. Do them deliberately and avoid jerks because gyro bias estimates depend on smooth motion. For compass, rotate the craft 360 degrees horizontally, then tilt and sweep vertically in a figure 8. This reduces magnetic mapping errors. Make sure GPS acquires at least 6 satellites before moving to flight checks. Finish by validating results in flight. You should perform a short 1-2 meter hover and observe for unexpected drift or yaw oscillation. Those indicate calibration or tuning issues. If flight is stable, save the calibration profile and reboot the system to ensure settings persist. If you encounter compass errors or large heading offsets, repeat calibration away from magnetic sources or perform a factory reset. That usually clears corrupted sensor maps. Remember, consistent environment yields repeatable calibrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.